Hello viewers and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be looking at simplification as a topic. And to my best of knowledge, this means to reduce an expression into simple form. Now, let's have an example, a practical example. Here is a question. Simplify. The question often comes this way. Simplify. Simplify. Then the question will be written minus 10 pq squared all over 2q divided by 5rq cube. Now, if you've been following the channel, you might have come across where I discussed what to do whenever you have any of the signs in between fractions, because take it or leave it, this is also a fraction. Any number or an expression staying on its own is the same as that expression or that number over 1, so which makes it a fraction. Now, what do you do when you have division sign, multiplication sign, addition sign, and subtraction sign in between fraction? You can check that up in the playlist on the channel. Now, having written over 1, the next thing to do is to solve mathematics using the facts in mathematics and solving mathematics the way it is. When you have division in between two fractions, the next thing to do is to flip the sign into multiplication, thereby turning this fraction at the right hand side upside down, which means to invert this. What do I mean? Let's look at the question. Minus 10 pq squared over 2q. In this case, you're changing this to what? You're changing this to multiplication sign. And when you change it to multiplication sign, this, instead of becoming 5r cube over 1, it will be 1 over 5r cube. Good. And according to power of indices, q square is the same as q times q, right? So whenever we have q cube, it's the same as q times q times q. So we are permitted to begin to divide them. I use the word to slash them. Now, how many q do we have here? 2 q's. So I can say q square in q square 1 and q square in q cube will remain q, right? So the next thing we have now is 5 here 1 and 5 here minus 5. Sorry, minus 2. Minus 2, because 5 here 1 and 5 in minus 10 is minus 2. Okay, so we're going to have minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, and we have the p there, minus 2p over, what do we have at the denominator? 2q 2rq squared, 2rq squared, because we still have r here. So 2rq squared. How do we get it? 2rq squared? Q times q is q squared. So, but now we can go ahead and slash this, two here, one, two here, one. Now, final answer will be minus P over RQ squared. That's going to be our final answer. Now, compare this to this. This is the simpler form of this. In this case, we've been able to simplify this into this. And this is our final answer. Thank you very much for watching. If you watched to the end, please leave a comment and you can give me an example of any question you would love to solve based on simplification. Until we meet again, if you love content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and turn on the notification bell after you must have subscribed so you will stay updated on related content. Until we meet again, stay safe and be good.